Welcome to Field Notes. I'm your host, Hayley Fleming, and on this episode, we'll be talking about herring spawn. It's that time of year again. Schools of herring are staging in their spawning grounds across Prince William Sound. The herring spawn event usually kicks off at the end of March and ramps up into April. It breathes new life into the sound each spring. The longer days and warmer weather signals to the herring that it's time to reproduce. It's hard to find a species in our area that doesn't benefit from the feeding frenzy that's about to begin. Over the past 10 years, we've watched the herring population rise and fall. In 2018, the population dropped to a record low level, but since then has climbed back up. This recovery was driven by the 2016 year class that recruited to the spawning population in the beginning of 2019. The 2016 year class was outstanding not only in Prince William Sound, but throughout the Gulf of Alaska. The increased extent of the spawn in Prince William Sound has been driven by this 2016 year class, which gets smaller with each year through natural mortality. Although the herring can spawn until they're 11 or 12 years old, with time, disease and predation take their toll. Without another large year class joining the spawning population, we would expect the spawning biomass to decline. Fortunately, there's an indication that there may be another large year class that would begin entering the spawning population in 2023. If that prediction holds true, then the spawning events should continue to grow and we're likely to see more spawning areas being used. Last year was the first year that modern surveys detected spawn in places like Boswell Bay and Cedar Bay. The estimated biomass last year was around 23,000 tons, which put the population slightly over the threshold for a commercial fishery. ADF&G's aerial surveys have begun and the search for herring spawn is on this year, and there are a couple ways you can stay informed. Over the past few years, herring sightings from locals and survey results from the department have been posted to a Facebook page called Prince William Sound Herring Watch. To follow along with the herring spawn this spring, check out the page. In addition to the Facebook page, ADF&G has developed and released an interactive mapping tool to the public. This tool will be updated after each aerial survey, detailing biologist Shane Shepard's observations. The web map will include observed mile days of melt, survey routes, and observations. Photos from the surveys can be viewed by clicking on individual features on the map. The map also contains historic spawn observations for each year since the aerial survey effort began in 1973. Check out the Prince William Sound Herring Spawn Interactive Web Map by visiting the ADF&G website and navigating to the herring portion of the Commercial Fisheries website. For more information about herring research, visit our website at PWSSC.org.